Welcome back to Fast Cabling Tech Enthusiasts. In our journey to transform a traditional farm into the fortress of innovation, we've already covered the wonders of wireless bridges and the benefits of Wi-Fi cameras. Today in this video, we're diving deeper into the world of IP cameras, focusing on how to preserve those all-important video feed with two smart recording methods. So let's get started. Now, each corner of this vast farm is now under the vigilant watch of IP cameras, but capturing footage is only half the battle. So how do we store all this video? First up, SD card recording. Now, using an SD card for recording is like having a tiny, powerful bookkeeper for each of your cameras. It's simple, straightforward, and incredibly efficient. Each camera holds its own little diary, the SD card, where it jots down everything it sees day and night. And this setup is great because it's super easy to handle. If you want to see what happened last Tuesday on camera 3, you just have to check that camera's diary. And these tiny powerhouses can support up to 512 gigabytes. And a 256 gigabyte SD card is enough to record about 10 days of the footage. And the best part is, you can easily access, replay, and download any moments with a tap on our Green Backyard application. So it's an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly way to keep an eye on things, making it a favorite for many. So each camera has an SD card slot. This one is underneath the camera. I'm going to open it up and show you. So this is the SD card. Just install it inside your camera. Close the cap. So now I'm going to show you how to fill the live video feed on our app and also the recorded video. Now this is a live feed, and looking at the recorded video, just hit playback. Now we have the SD card installed, so we have all the playback footage. You can select the time by scrolling it down so you can watch the previous video. Or you can select the date from the calendars. And also, you can fill the storage capacity by clicking on Storage Management, so you know how much space left for your SD cards. But what if you're looking for a more centralized solution? Here enters method 2, NVR Recording. Now, NVR stands for Network Video Recorder, and the advantages are more storage, enhanced security features, and seamless camera management. Using an NVR for recording is like having a personal video library that's smart, organized, and always available. Now think of it as a dedicated bookshelf in your home where every book is a video from your cameras, neatly cataloged so you can find and review any chapter of the footage easily. And one of the biggest pluses is that you can store a massive amount of video, much more than individual memory cards can hold, meaning you can keep months of footage without worrying about running out of space. So storage isn't a concern, and you have to add one of these HDD to your NVR. Now a 1 TB hard drive can hold months of footage, so you can add multiple of them. So now lead to our big question: where to place the NVR? At the farm or at home? Now, placing the NVR at your farm, it's great for if you often on site or have a dedicated space in your barn, so you can have quick access to the NVR. This is ideal for real-time monitoring and for situations where immediate response is critical. And this setup can reduce potential latency or interference, since the cameras are connected directly to the NVR over a local network, and ensuring higher quality and reliability of your video feeds. So keeping the NVR close to the camera can also simplify the initial installation process, especially in terms of cabling and network configurations. If you place the NVR at home, it's likely it has better security than your farm, reducing the risk of thief or tampering with the NVR. Homes generally offer a more controlled environment in terms of temperature and humidity, which can be better for the longevity and reliability of the network video recorder. And you also may remote access on a large screen at home. Just connect your NVR to a large screen monitor. So each location has its advantages. Keeping it on the farm means faster access to footage for on-site issues. And at home, it provides peace of mind, knowing your farm's video data is safe with you. But why choose? If your budget allows, you can consider placing NVRs both at the farm and at home. This hybrid approach ensures not just redundancy and extra security, but also flexibility in accessing and managing your video archives. Ensures that if one system fails, you have a backup. Or you can just install the HDDs at your NVR at home so you can monitor at the farm and store the video at home. So now we have moved on to the demonstration board, so I can show you how to place the NVR at both your home and your farm. Now let's pretend this side is our farm. Looking at all this setup, they're actually from our previous videos. So if you're interested on how to set them up, you can watch the video on our YouTube channels. Now in this setup, we have a bullet camera and a Wi-Fi dual lens PTZ cameras, and they're all connected to this switch, and we're going to place the NVR right here, connected directly to our wireless bridge. And also, you can place a monitor here so you can view the live video or the playback at your farm. If not, you can also use the wireless bridge directly facing the other bridge to our home and monitor the video feed at your home. Now let's pretend we're at home now. You have the router, you can directly connect it with our NVR and using an HDMI cable and connect it to a large screen. So now we're looking at this live video of a bullet camera and the Wi-Fi PTZ dual lens camera. And next I'm going to show you how to view the playbacks and other advanced features. So first you should connect the mouse to the NVR so you can navigate the menu by right-click it. Instantly you'll see the playback option. Now this NVR can support up to 32 cameras, and the PTZ dual lens cameras is on channel 2, so just select channel 2. You can also choose the time period and the date on the calendar. Then hit OK. Now underneath we have the whole timeline. You can click on the time that you want to view, just like this. Now you can see they're all green because I turn on just the regular recording mode. Up window, going back, right click it, go to the main menu, we can set the record configuration. Now we're at channel 2, select the channel. As you can see, I only turn on the regular recording mode, and this is the recording time period. If you select the detect mode, that means it has the motion detection feature. If someone or something moves by, it will automatically record the video footage and the timeline will show red. And also you can turn on the alarm so it will send you an alert through your phone or a computer. Then just hit OK. Now since this is a PTZ camera, you can also access the PTZ control on your NVR. You can go left and right. So this is the pan tilt features, and also up and down. Allows you to remote access your camera even though you're at home. So with these two recording strategies, our farm is now a beacon of security and efficiency. Whether it's through individual SD cards or the centralized mic of an NVR, we've got every angle covered, every moment saved, and every peace of mind preserved. So thank you very much for joining us. That's all for today's video on revolutionizing farm security with smart recording method. So stay tuned for more tech transformation as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. And I'll see you in the next video.